We want to talk about someone who has been accused of DUI. What should you do then, Todd?
Now, Gary, I think one of the most important things people need to remember is that if you have in fact been accused and arrested for DUI, you need to immediately call a lawyer. DUI is one of those areas of law that has so many traps for the unwary that if you don't get representation right away, you run a very serious risk of missing various deadlines that could affect your rights.
So when someone calls your office, how does that process work?
Well, what we do, Gary, is we make sure that as soon as the person calls us and has hired us, we take care of protecting those deadlines. We send various notifications to the court that cover deadlines that apply there, and we also send notifications to the DMV to take steps to protect your license from being automatically suspended. If you don't have those rights covered, there's really very little that you can do sometimes to defend your case adequately.
Now, do these cases go to court very often, or do they most likely get settled out of court?
The vast majority of cases do end up being resolved before a trial takes place, but we do go to court and we do have hearings in court, just not jury trials in an awful lot of cases, simply because very often we're able to find defenses to the charge that help us to get the case dismissed or pled down to a non-DUI offense. But when we do have to go to trial, then we're ready to do that because we start from the beginning with an eye towards taking the case to trial so that we're not selling the clients short.